In Africa in the 1840s, a drought ended after missionary W. E. J. Davis's public prayer. The first known Bantu church began. An account from a visitor to the Church of German Lutheran, Pastor Johann Christoph Blumhardt, records the visitor's temporary annoyance with the pastor. Blumhardt, concerned for the needs of the congregation's farmers, briefly interrupted the liturgy to pray that God would stop an impending hailstorm. The visitor testifies that his annoyance turned to astonishment as, in an instant it grew light, and in a few minutes, we had blue skies and bright sunshine. Such accounts about Blumhardt's ministry are attested in letters and journals from the time in which they occurred. Other figures in the 19th century, such as George Muller, Hudson Taylor, and those associated with them, reported experiences that could be understood as weather miracles. Historian Paul King cites primary sources. George Muller reports in his diary for November 20, 1857, that workers needed to repair the boiler at an orphan house in Bristol, England, to provide heat. Unfortunately, that also meant that the children would lack heat until the boiler was fixed. Bristol's night temperature in late November and December can be in the 40s Fahrenheit. It had been cold, so Muller prayed for a change to warm weather, which came and persisted until the day that the boiler was able to again provide heat. Similarly, in 1865 hurricane-force winds damaged the orphan houses, causing 20 holes in the roofs, so Muller and his colleagues prayed for protection, and the wind and rain ceased until the necessary repairs were made. Likewise, Hudson Taylor, a British missionary to China, prayed in 1853, as the ship he was traveling on moved swiftly and in an uncontrolled way towards deadly rocks. Suddenly the wind shifted, and the ship evaded destruction. Later in the voyage there was a lack of favorable winds, and the current was driving the ship toward reefs. Taylor prayed briefly and then instructed the captain to put up the sail. To the others' astonishment, the wind came, and in only minutes they were plowing through the sea at nearly 7 knots.